my question today is about the JWT, the James Webb Telescope. So,
hmm
how does the James Webb Telescope work, and how was it built?
Oh, that's a good question. My colleagues at work are actually working on the James Webb Space Telescope. It was basically built here at NASA in Maryland, and it's basically a bunch of cameras put together. So we have cameras that look in the what's called infrared. I don't know if you've heard of that term. It's a big term, but uh, light can come as the form of heat. So if you've ever gone to a stove and you've felt the heat, that heat is infrared light coming to you. We can actually see in infrared light with a special camera. We can't see it with our eyes, but we can feel it. But we can use special cameras to look at uh, things in space. So the James Webb Space Telescope has infrared cameras, and then we mounted it on this big spaceship and it put all kinds of protections on it because it needs to be protected from the sunlight, from the radiation from the sunlight. And it was one long, complicated process to fold the whole thing. It's the size of a tennis court. The whole telescope is the size of a tennis court. We had to fold the telescope and put it into a small rocket and launch the rocket into outer space and make it travel 1 million kilometers away and then keep the telescope there. And that took over 10, 12 years or something like that. It took a long time to build everything, put everything together, and then launch it into space. It was really scary. We were all nervous watching it go up into space. It's finally there, and it's now taking beautiful, amazing pictures. I wish I had put some of the pictures, but if you just search for JWST on Google, you can find a lot of the pictures that we've come up with.